What'd you get?
A double shot of espresso.
Like a Sunday morning, gonna bring the light. I'm gonna shine so bright, so bright. I wanna glow like a CEO, I wanna shine like the day is mine. Gonna bring the light, gonna shine so bright, cause I know I've gotta glow.
I was not expecting that.
What'd you get?
A beautiful afterglow vitamin C cream.
Or you're gonna glow like a CEO.
Like a CEO. I am.
Who is that? Who are they?
Sunday Riley. It's actually a really, really good skincare brand. I'm obsessed with their acne oil. It like saved my skin many times. So now I get to try this one.
And who sang to you?
The Sunset Singers. I started sweating a little bit.
So we got a little fancy tonight. We are going to the
City Club.
LA City Club for a little dinner.
They have a restaurant on the 51st floor called Arbor. And we're going to dinner with our friends Rachel and Zach. And it's the first time eating here. But we've been to the City Club before, so it'll be fun to actually try it out for dinner. See what they're all about. The reviews are great, so I thought, why not have a little fancy dinner night on a Wednesday
Let's
night?
check it out.
Why not?
Yeah, we got a little dusty and dirty at Stagecoach, so we wanted to switch it up.
Dramatic turnaround.
Dramatic turnaround.
Just letting loose after date night. How good does that feel?
I'm made for this suit living.
I disagree. You look pretty nice.
Thank you. But I'm very full. It was very good. It was
Oh,
actually
it's so
amazing.
good.
We actually got kicked out. We stayed till 10:30. We had the manager text us to say,
You have to leave.
"Hey, you have just a reminder that we close at 10."
It was 10:30.
It is 10:30. I was like, "Oh, sorry." But they kept bringing out cheese plate and they brought out tea and.
That was the first time I ever had a cheese plate for dessert. I've always seen it on the dessert menu as an option, but I've never ordered it for dessert.
It's always a hard pass.
Yeah, we're always so full. But it was amazing.
1 hour like cheesecake.
Yeah. Now it's time for bed. Hi.
Hello.
I'm posting a reel right now.
Are you really?
Mm-hmm.
Are you really? Nice. Good bet.
Dad jokes are over.
Just one last recap of last weekend,
Oh.
and the content will be over. The 4 days straight in the dust takes a toll.
Oh yeah.
It's worth it, but you got to schedule a week after.
I feel like we'll be better. Because I feel okay today, but it's like that residual cough is definitely lingering.
4 days in the desert is a lot. It takes a toll. If you're planning on going next year, which you should, just prepare like 4 days after, and take your AGs.
Oh yeah, I
your
really
essentials.
I really do feel like that's what helped us get through, because everyone in the house was taking AG1s every morning, and I just feel like it gave us that extra dose of health every day. And people who had never tried it before were trying, because everyone brought extra travel packs. So like the entire house was drinking AG1s. We were dropping our vitamin D3 K2s into us every day, also from Athletic Greens.
If we didn't do that, I think I'd still be in bed.
Yeah, because I really don't feel bad. I feel great, but it's the cough.
Yeah. So where's the tequila?
Oh God, I'm not ready for that ever.
All right. Well, have a good day.
done shooting. It is only 11:30 and we've shot 2 campaigns already today. We're on a roll.
We're on a roll, and we got Maru.
We got our beans, best beans ever. So yeah, it's a good day. And we bought our church tickets for this weekend. We're just on a country kick. He's got his shirt on.
Well, you gotta see the legend. It's gonna be really fun. It's this Saturday. We got a suite. There's 7 of us. I can't wait because he puts on a show and a half.
Good times and tan lines.
Who's that? Well, we're gonna have a blast either way.
You guys, look how cute these sweats are. They have like little embellished, what do I even call them? Details. They're so cute and so soft.
Look at this boost.
Burrito bowls are our specialty. Hi!
Yo, you're on the vlog.
You're on the vlog. Say hello to the vlog. Hi.
Good morning.
Good morning. Make some ice rolling. Really good for the skin, circulation, inflammation, puffiness, and your pores. Helps with headaches sometimes too.
Idea.
Throw it in the pillow.
We're at our friend's house right now,
don't fucking steal my idea.
trying to get him to throw down.
You need, like,
He's gonna do it?
Yeah.
You gonna catch it?
I don't know why. Just throw it in the pillow.
Yeah, I know.
I mean, I would
Meanwhile,
catch it.
he's on the phone.
I would catch it.
Got it.
Alright, let's see what he comes up with.
Test me with like a battery and see if I can catch that.
A battery is way smaller than the remote. I guess that would be a good test then.
I mean, look at these hands.
That's the battery.
Oh.
All state.
Oh.
96, baby.
What? Really?
Small time ago. Your lenses
Oh, perfect.
are 06. I mean, this is 4 years of
Adam
football
Cole.
right here.
Oh, I missed
You know what
Hey, you know,
it. We got it. It's in here.
hey, let me give you my spot.
Oh, another. Here comes another thing.
Man.
Alright, just call me.
Hello, Aussie guy.
Oh, he's a good boy.
Boy, he's very proud.
He's like, we'll be down on it.
Under the couch.
Toothbrush.
Oopsies.
we going?
Come on, we're going to church. We've been waiting 2 years for this. The Gather Again tour. He pronounced the Gather Again tour when we were all still in
Quarantine.
I think we were all in quarantine. And he was like, we're gonna be gathering again. And that's when he got the name, Gather Again Tour. Our arrival time is 7-Eleven, which is pretty cool because we live downtown. He's performing downtown LA.
We're ready.
And we're ready. Look at the country girl's hair.
I've got a big blowout like Dolly Parton.
I didn't realize mermaids could be country.
I can. It's gonna be fun. We have a big group going. We got a suite. There
10 of
were
us.
$60 tickets, and yeah, there's 10 of us in a suite. It's gonna be so fun. We we had our quota at Stagecoach reached, and then we were like, not enough. We need more.
We were like, no. Oh, I can go this way.
More country. What are you new?
Oh, we were doing a vlog.
Just kidding. I feel like
That was my line.
I feel like something you would say.
That was my bit. I'm impressed.
I'm always trying to
I
impress
taught you well.
Always trying to
I
impress
taught you well. What are you new? That was nice. Good job.
Wow.
So, everyone's downtown. We're going to church. Everyone's at dinner. They're all getting drinks. They're like, let's have a downtown experience. We're like, hey, come on. Church is playing in our backyard. Let's go have some fun.
You're like a little kid on Christmas.
Wait.
All right.
I'm going to cry. These are going to be on me all night. You're not going to be able to
Have the tears.
tell. Tears. Look at that hair. Do you like it?
Yeah, she's ready for your up. She's blonde again. All right. Check back in. Eric Church, reunited.
Gonna lose my
Didn't
voice.
get enough. Yeah.
Round two. All right, little BTS, the BTS picture.
Now we got the gorgeous couple. They're even matching, you guys. We love a matching moment.
We went matching.
All the
Eric
A's.
Church black shirt. Easy.
Oh, easy. The hand placement there, easy. Yeah. My voice.
So we're in the elevator, closing out Sunday night, and have weekly duties of taking out the boxes. It's one thing that's never ending.
Just had a very productive 30-minute deep clean.
Good way to end this Sunday.
We had a really early dinner. It's like, what time is it? 7 o'clock right now. Already ate dinner, just cleaned the whole apartment. Got our snacks. Now we're gonna watch Ozarks to finish the weekend.
Yes.
Hopefully finish. How many episodes do we have left?
I don't know, that's a good question.
We're in for a wild ride.
Netflix, Ozarks, finish it out. Probably 4 episodes left.
Oh, that's not bad. Alright. Happy Sunday.
Happy Sunday.